Does your husband snore like a bear? I miss sleeping in the same room as my husband. Standard foam earplugs just don't do the job. They fall out in the night and they're just uncomfortable. That's what made me find Earship sleep plugs. And now I have uninterrupted sleep every single night. When my partner is snoring, all I need to do is place one in each ear and I can finally get a peaceful night's sleep. And even though it filters out his snoring, I can still hear my alarm in the morning. On top of that, they offer a buy one set, get one completely free. And if you're still not convinced, they'll even refund you if they don't block out your partner's snoring. What have you got to lose? Buy a pack today.